Would you do this deal? Titus County, Texas, 1 acre. It's flat. The deed shows it. Oh, access. Okay, got it. I'll make sure with title, and I even do title at this price point. Purchase price, $2,860. Thinks we could sell it for $20,000 plus.
Oh, I love the price.
Yeah.
That's 10 times.
I know.
This is a Jill deal right here.
So unless there's something awful,
yeah, me too.
I have nothing but thumbs up.
Yeah, me too. $2,800. I honestly, in Texas like this, for that kind of price, and you got neighbors everywhere. Look at this road. There's a road right here.
Mm-hmm. And coming in off that side.
This guy's driving through your property to get here, which I think is good. I'd do this all day.
Uh-huh.
All day.
Mm-hmm.
Let's just check Zillow, though.
How can you go wrong?
I agree.
Yeah.
There's nothing for sale. Oh, houses, sorry.
That's good, too.
There's a single property in the zip code for sale and one sold.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to pull a Jill here and see what it was listed for. 17,000. Listing removed.
Mm-hmm.
Done.
Yeah.
Done, done, and done. Do you agree?
Mm-hmm. Buy it. Do it. That's a good one. We hope you find our content valuable and we appreciate your support. If you have not already, please check out our channel and hit the subscribe button.
And your comments and suggestions help us to create the content you're here for. Hitting the like button helps to support our channel's algorithm and gauge your interest for future shows.